Hi guys! As you can see, today we're going to build a 5-level maze for a hamster.
Hooray, Susie! I'm very busy. Call me when it's done.
Okay, Sammy. But this won't be a simple maze, it's going to be a Lego maze. Let's start with the upper level. It's the easiest one. First of all, we need to make the base of our first level. See? This way. Don't forget that in every layer, except for the last one, you should make a hole like this, so the hamster can pass from one level to another. Time to make the walls. I advise you to use long pieces for the first row. Let's connect the basement pieces with each other. This way, our construction won't break. Let's use different colors to make an interesting pattern. It's better to put the piece at the junction of the previous two so the system is more solid. Finishing the walls of our hamster. Okay, done. On the top, we put some fortress elements so Andy can feel like a knight. Let's add some bright lanterns on the corners. Now that's better. Let's move on to making the inner part. First of all, here's the finished window. And even if it's hard to squeeze through this gap, I'll close it with a piece like this. The next step is the walls. Mostly they'll be white, matching the window. Woo! The first level is ready! Yeah, it's quite simple, but it'll get harder. 4 more levels are ahead. Phew! It wasn't as easy as I thought, but our 5-level Lego maze is done! Check out this rainbow Lego maze. The first layer's purple. Then there's green, yellow, orange, and the largest one is red. The easiest level we made together, so you know everything about it. Let's dive into the second one. It's green. Andy enters the start zone and starts moving along the passage. Then he passes this cozy tunnel and overtakes 2 barriers, like a horse at a track. Then this little passage brings him to the 3rd level. Visually, it's divided into the blue and purple sections. Andy lands here, and the first thing he sees is this door. Welcome! Here we've got a whole snake of so-called greenhouses. Hope our friend won't fall asleep there. Here, Andy can rest on soft straw. He deserves this after 3 levels passed. And then, he finds the brightest level. I call it the lab. And it's the 4th level. Carefully get around the barrels, take a little passage with some flowers. Reaching my favorite part, the giant swing! After that, you get the kingdom of windows. A window, a barrier, a window, a barrier. And finished! Flying through the arch to the last level. Oh, I love this one. We've got some straw for a break here too. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da! Here is the 5th brightest level of the maze. Andy will start with a warm-up snake passage and reach the giant labyrinth. Then there's the obstacle course. And the rainbow slinky tunnel leading to the elegant exit door. Oh, it's so cool! I can't wait to put Andy in it. But we'll see it tomorrow because I'm a bit tired. Time to go to bed. See you guys.
What is this fortress? Interesting. I must explore it. Alright, quietly, not to wake anyone up. Looks like a labyrinth. Well, I like logic puzzles. Ugh, ears are itchy. And I like Lego too. Can I fit in here? Of course I can! What a silly question. Alright, seems it's another level. Let's see what we got. Hup! This tunnel's so perfect! Right for me! As Lego aim at hamsters now too. Cool. Okay, I think I'm on the right way. Oh, here's the door to the next level. That was rather easy. They could have made this door bigger. This level seems harder. Phew. I'm gonna take a break. All right, time to search for the exit. Oh, it's so dark in here. No, wrong way. Oh, here. My hamster gut tells me the exit is somewhere close. Oh, there it is. Let's go to the next level. Wow, it's so bright in here. I call it a lab. Ooh, flowers. Smells not bad, but I prefer ficuses. Whoa, there are even attractions here. Cool. Phew, this level's a little messy. Takes some time to understand the route. My head's spinning because of all these turns. Good job, Lego. You know I'm done. Nice try, Lego, but I'm smarter. I'm at the last level. That's a simple passage. Let's move on. Hup. Well, no one's looking. So many things around. I need to think. Okay, let's just keep moving. Oh, I have to get to that white path. I'm very close. Run! Ugh, I wasn't planning this night fitness. Oh, that tunnel's funny. But I have to go. Nice labyrinth, Lego. In fact, I got some ideas about Lego mazes to share. I gotta go catch a train! Sue, where's Andy? I found this note in his cage.
Oh, Sammy, I'm afraid Andy woke up at night and passed the labyrinth without us. Let's see what he wrote. Oh, wow. Huh, it says Andy went to the Lego office to test new labyrinths.
What? But who's going to go through our maze?
I know. Let's see the security camera footage.
That's right. Great idea, Sue. Bye, guys.
See you soon!